After an epic trip across country, we're almost back home. I know I'm not like buckled up anymore. We're taking you aboard our sailboat, Calypso. Bryn's first time on Calypso.
And we have a door here. We can actually have sex.
Then we'll knock out some RV maintenance before setting off on another adventure. Oh, there goes the fridge. There's no place like home. Let's do it.
We have had our fair amount of issues, really bad weather. Texas has had some severe winter storms, so it's just been a little rough. We've been really cooped up in the RV, so we got here and we were like breaking free. Jeremy's like, I'm gonna wash the RV. It's been 8 months. Can't wash it in any of these West Coast states. There's like rules everywhere.
Did you know this was blue?
No, I had no idea.
I thought it was just all gray.
When's the last time you washed the RV?
I think in Oregon.
Oregon?
Yeah, so 8 months, something like that.
Oh my gosh. Where are we? In Boise, Mississippi?
Biloxi.
Biloxi. Every day we've been stopping, it's been dark. Finally, there's like some daylight, even though it's extremely foggy. And he's like, I'm gonna wash. I'm like, I'm gonna have a margarita. The baby needs to sleep. She won't sleep. She's sick of being in the RV too. Reese is sick of being in the RV. This little boy walked up to Reese and he's like, oh, there hasn't been kids here in months. And Reese is like, really? He's like, yeah. Do you want to play? Do you want to be my friend? And Reese is like, yeah, let's go play. And I'm like, oh my gosh, Reese is sick of us too. They're over there playing. It's cute. There they are at the park. Isn't it amazing how easily kids can make friends? So cute. Baby finally fell asleep. Oh, saw her peek. Mama poured herself a margarita, although you'd never know it.
This was a nice stop along our fast track across the country. We're headed back to Florida, bringing the baby home to where she belongs. It was also great to get the RV cleaned up.
That's our RV right there. Jeremiah has half of it done. Why are you so fussy? She's broken.
Get the receipt.
I'll resume when she falls asleep.
It's the next day and we're almost home. Well, we've hit Florida.
It's nice and warm here.
Happy to be, I know I'm not like buckled up anymore.
It's always nice to come back after you've been gone, and it makes you really appreciate it.
I'm excited to be back. The boys are gonna go to the boat and kind of get it set up, and Bryn and I are gonna stay in the RV just because she's at the point of where you always have to hold her and you don't have somewhere to sit her down. So that's exciting. I know Reese is really excited. It's been, Jeremiah called it the anxiety trip across the country. That's what we've named this one. We've been across the country probably pushing like close to 10 times.
Yeah, Reese, how many times, how about Reese? Right?
Probably like 7 of those times for Reese.
And that's like one a year.
I know.
It's like, yeah.
That's crazy. So this one's been the anxiety trip across the country. It's been interesting, breaking down in the middle of the New Mexico desert without service. That was fun.
You know, what we really could have, like, it worked out. We didn't have a lot of time because we were in that national park closing at 6, right? But if it came down to it, I could have put the Starlink out, which is so nice.
Oh, yeah.
Anywhere in the country, you just put a Starlink antenna, and now you have full service.
What you doing there?
I'm helping Dad with the field.
Well, you got 2 fingers up. So what he does is he watches the fuel gauge right here, because we don't have a gauge down there. Put a stop sign. What were you doing there?
I was holding my fingers out, helping Dad with the fuel gauge so he can see how many dots are left.
You start at 4. Where do you put your fingers?
This right here, then this, and then this, and then this.
We count down so he knows, right?
Yeah.
Good job.
And then we got hit with a severe ice storm, which I didn't film just because I was like freaking out the entire time. I didn't even think to film, but it ended up being like our gas tank cover was frozen over. We had to heat up water and pour it over. It's always so much better when you film these things, so I don't even like talking about it, but we got hit with an ice storm in Texas. But happy to be back. This trip's over. Maybe we'll take off again, maybe we won't. I don't know. Kind of want to reassess what we're going to do with the RV and stuff like that, since Bryn is here and we're out of that 4th trimester now, and I feel like a little bit of a human, and she's kind of operating at full speed. She's nice and chubby. She's back there. That's her car seat. We
drive at all. She drove the RV one time and hated it. And it was like on a 35-mile-an-hour road.
But I drive the boat.
Yeah.
Next stop, the boat.
If you're new to our channel, the RV is just for fun. This is the main show, our girl Calypso. She's a 2013 Antares 44i and she's badass. She's currently docked and we're going aboard for the first time in a long while.
Bryn's first time on Calypso.
Yep, say hi, Bryn.
It's like it's a little breezy, guys.
It's really busy.
Wow, I haven't been back to the boat yet either. It looks so clean.
Yeah.
What do you think about being back?
I love it.
I know. Man, it's nice to be home. How long has it been?
Probably like 7 months or something, right?
Longer. Because she's 4. And we left when we found out she was 5.
Yeah, I don't know.
So it's been 8 months. You're 8 months older. That means you can help 8 times more. It's so nice having an older child.
Well, that's because the parents don't have to do anything.
Okay, we do everything. That's funny. I've quickly realized we have nowhere to put Bryn. So
Guess what?
we're screwed. It's nice having an older child because when I have her, he can help out a lot. We obviously need to configure the boat again for a baby like we did with Reese. We'll get it. We'll figure it out. Pretty soon she'll be sitting on her own and that'll be really nice. We have such a beautiful boat.
I know. Let me film you.
I forgot how pretty it was.
Yeah.
Oh my
Welcome
God.
home, dear.
Thank you. We're so lucky.
Yeah.
to have such a beautiful boat.
I know. She's messy right now, though.
I don't even feel, I obviously left her pretty clean because I don't feel like it's disgusting.
No.
I haven't even seen my room. Oh my gosh, you get such an appreciation when you leave, right?
Yeah.
Because you feel so overwhelmed at times. Oh my gosh. Is this mine? Oh my god.
I know, and we have a door here, so we can
Door.
actually have sex.
And it's not like
The
paper
RV
thin
sucks for
walls.
that. Yeah.
It sucks when you're like, can your kid hear you?
Yeah, I know. Welcome home, dear.
I feel like I want to cry. Like I
You should
seriously
cry.
can't believe this is ours. Like I know it's ours. We've been paying for it, working for it, all that other stuff. And it's going to be paid off in less than a year.
I know.
Can you believe that?
I know.
Can you believe that?
The lighting on this phone sucks. Well, I'm going back to work.
Here, let me go check on the kids.
Let's see what the batteries are like. There we go. 100% lithiums. I have to hook up the filters and all that kind of stuff for ACs, and I'll work on it.
All right. You work on that. I'm going to drink wine. Hi, guys.
Hi, look at Bryn. She's like a little army soldier.
I know. What happened? Her bow came off. Are you happy to be back in your room?
Yep.
Oh, Bryn's hanging out. Look at her. She's like, yeah, this is my room.
That's your room, big mess.
Her room is a big mess. Now, Dad, don't feel pressure to empty this. We're fine.
I have no pressure whatsoever.
Okay. This is going to be Bryn's room. It was my grocery store. I guess it can be partially a grocery store. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of stuff in there.
Yeah, scuba tanks, guitar, solar panels. Here you go.
Empty fridge.
Not totally empty. There's a surprise for you.
Oh.
Somebody left you a surprise. Go take a look at the cooler.
Outside?
No, it's inside.
Oh my gosh. He's so sweet. Man, that's cool.
The wine and then a bottle of scotch.
Oh my gosh, I'm on my diet, but I'll have a couple. John left it for us. He took care of the boat while we were gone and like checked on it for it and stuff, and he left that for us. He's so sweet.
I opened it up and it said, welcome home, Geckos. And then, what is that, a wine?
It's like the only white wine he'll drink. He drinks it with his good friend.
Very nice.
Yeah, very.
This is truly my happy place. RVing is awesome, but being on the water is when we feel happiest.
Give me the ball. Woo! That was a good one.
We spent the next couple of months just enjoying Bryn and Reese.
Hi.
And we got a system going.
Like the idea. You like the idea.
Along with taking Reese riding more often, he wants to enter a race, so we worked at getting faster.
Good.
This is harder than you might think. We're so proud of him for giving it his all.
Good. There you go.
After a bit, we came up with a plan.
The RV's been sitting for a while. It's been sitting here for a couple months after our trip, and the batteries were already bad. It's just all flooded cells. We haven't put really any money into the RV because it all goes into the boat. We're going to do this little trip across the country up to like Michigan and all that. So I went ahead and decided to replace the house bank. They were trashed before we bought the RV because it sat for like a year and nobody really did anything. It was a 2021 and we didn't buy it until it was sitting there for a year. So, you know, these batteries are flooded, you have to maintain them. That wasn't happening. So I went ahead and bought all new six new batteries, all 6 volts. I'm just gonna swap them out and hopefully they'll run like a champ.
Let's see how well you've been maintaining your batteries, honey.
Yeah.
This is embarrassing. Oh my gosh.
We know another part of this is they're back here.
I don't want to hear excuses.
Like, look at the
what the
location.
heck? Are you kidding me?
Look, they're in the rear.
Are you going to do a
And-
better job now?
Well, they're gonna look dirty because I'm saying, like they're in the rear. All that road stuff, like that storm we went through in Texas, all that salt, it all gets up in here. I'll clean it up. Are you just gonna film me?
I'm waiting for you to start complaining about the Jeep.
Oh yeah, the Jeep is very small.
I thought I could catch it on film. Let me see your batteries.
Batteries.
We're going for a summer trip, headed north for some motocross races, country concerts, and more. So Jeremiah went into getting the RV ready for some boondocking, which is basically camping without power. Good batteries are a must.
Hey, back there. We are sitting in the Jeep while Daddy does the batteries because there's no AC. Seems a little frustrated, but he's a frustrated type of worker. Don't tell him I said that. What you doing? I'm trying to hold the camera with you, and Daddy's gonna tell me all the footage is wiggly. Wiggle wiggles.
How's it going, honey?
Going.
Did you figure out a way to get it off?
I'm working on it.
Why does everything have to be so hard? Poor guy.
So turn the inverter on.
That thing in there?
Yeah, don't hear any pops. And then we'll go inside and try to turn stuff on. All right, all I did was a 1-for-1 swap. So it should be pretty basic. Hopefully all the connections are good. You know the 2 little things right here?
Yeah.
Those circuit breakers, turn those on, hold on. Okay, they came on, that's good. So let's check the battery.
Bank?
Yeah, now I don't know what charge these are at. They're supposed to be full, but we'll see.
Oh, when you buy them, they're supposed to be full.
Yeah. Oh look, house 12.4.
They're full.
Yeah.
Right there.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna go plug in the charger, and you want to film and watch it come on?
Yeah. Oh, there goes the fridge. Oh, there goes the microwave. Dishwasher came on. Brinzy, it works. Oh, 12.7.
Yeah.
We heard everything come on. The fridge.
Yeah. We just have it basically plugged into a regular 15 amp outlet with a adapter. It goes to a 30 amp. Then the 30 amp adapter goes to a 50 amp, and we plug the RV into that. And that works great for just charging the batteries while we have it sitting. It keeps the fridge going. You're not going to run ACs off it. You can run a fan.
It's hot as balls.
Yeah, but it keeps your battery bank full. So far, so good. What do you think, Bryn?
She thinks it's hot.
Yeah, it is hot.
There we go. The RV is all set to take off again. Are you ready? Coming up, we're securing the boat and taking off for the summer.
We are motorhoming it again.
That's how we've been carrying his dirt bike around.
Our first stop will be to see an old friend.
We left the motorhome down the road.
If you haven't met Captain John yet, you're about to.
This is clean Southern living.
John gave us his bedroom.
It took me forever to get Brittany into my bed.
I haven't had one of these in a while.
Hey, she has my. Yes!
John has been holding a personal mortgage for us.
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.